Naya, you know what are those? What are those? That's baby fried chicken.
Baby fried chicken?
Yeah.
I get one, mommy.
Yes, you got one.
Look how cute this is.
So we'll name this one Curry.
Curry?
Yes, and this one would be named.
But how you?
Alia, why did you drop it? They are 6 days old.
The ball.
No, sorry. Sorry, she's all excited as well.
Curry?
No, that's barbecue.
Hey, barbecue.
Yeah. Oh no, Alia, help. Sorry. Yes, Daddy just got them. So we have smoke, curry, stew. About 3 of them go have the same name, right?
You can't fly as yet, can you?
No, you can't. They can't.
Look how short their little feathers. It looks like they just hatched from an egg.
They're just 6 days old.
So they hatched 6 days ago?
Look at Play-Doh in your nail. Ew.
Oh, the sweet baby. Oh! He just put his nail on me.
He put his nail on you? No, leave it. We had to go and get their feed, and we have to get water for them, and we had to get a bigger box for them, right?
Mama!
Yes, Mommy! You're excited?
The baby! Wait. Can I have a bloody feet like me?
Yes. No, not the... Oh, gosh! Missouri, try rocking there.
Ooh, aren't you now in 4?
Okay, so let me just get something for them to eat because they're really hungry.